Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today, we are taking a look at a 2022 Thor Tiburon model 24FB. So as you guys know, this sits on the Mercedes chassis, okay? It's the 3.0 liter V6, 188 horsepower. The engine's on right now. It's super quiet, and this does have all the up-to-end high-end features: adaptive cruise control, lane assist, everything. Seamless fiberglass front cap, one-piece molded with a front windshield. I love that. Another thing that I love that Thor's doing is the armless awning with wind sensors, and check this out: sideways swinging aluminum slam latch doors. Super nice feature, super high-end. Also, there is an instant hot tankless water heater. Let's take a look at the inside. Inside, you can see that this motorhome is absolutely crazy spacious for it being such a small motorhome. First and foremost, let me show you this right here. Kind of switching it up some. Right here's the sofa setup, okay? And what's really nice is it does Murphy down into the bed. Right over there, Andrea, is the dinette. It does drop down to make a bed. Look at the very nice high gloss Euro cabinetry cabinets right there. And then also what's very nice is that the dinette has cup holders and a charger right there. Right over here's the Mercedes cockpit area. Again, 10-inch screen, gives you all the high-end features with a bunk over the cab right here that holds 250 pounds. Right over here, tons of kitchen countertop area. This is the most kitchen countertop space that I've seen in a Class B plus motorhome. And then look at this, the Murphy bed is down now. Now these legs do come out to support it, so let me put it up a little bit. But you know, when it's a daytime you have the sofa, and when it's nighttime you have the bed. And then check out that nice rear bathroom. This has to have one of the best bathrooms in a Class B plus motorhome. Nice size shower, okay toilet placement, but a ton of storage. It's, you know, again, for such a small motorhome, to compact all of this into one space is super nice. Great, all around, just an excellent unit. Well, that's it, guys. That's a quick 2-minute tour. If you guys are interested in learning more about this unit, make sure you check out my YouTube channel, which is Matt's RV Reviews. Or if you know that this is a unit that you want to buy, fill out that contact form down below. A motorhome specialist team member of ours will reach out to you and answer all your questions, get you a phenomenal price. Thank you guys, absolutely everybody, so much for checking out this short video. We'll see you next time.